that. They're planning a Cuban 8. We'll see what happens. Now this airplane, like I said, is pretty doggone fast down at the bottom. If you watch them up there at the top, they barely have enough speed to get over there. They're just hanging in the harnesses. Downhill they come, gaining speed, getting set for that next maneuver. Once again, they approach the field, pull back on the sticks. And it looks to me like a barrel roll. One of the oldest maneuvers in the aerobatic book. Once again, the trick here is one guy's watching where they're going, and the other is flying with his head turned toward that other airplane, eyes fixed on the sight picture. All right, this will be Mad Max, Lou Horschel. Takes the airplane up in the air. Again, you can see how slow that thing gets over the top. And speed management is very, very critical because it can flip a wing and stall for you up there if you're too slow. And recovery is very iffy unless you have a lot of altitude. He was having so much fun, he's going to do it again, I think. That's 1/2 of a Cuban 8 is what that is, about 5/8 of the loop. And then on the downline, you roll right side up and fly the other direction. And you're going to do it off the right side. If you could see the track in the sky, it would look like an 8 laying on its side out here. That's a maneuver that got it staying at an airport down in Florida back in the 1930s. There's a pilot that was about to fly, was flying aerobatic routine. He started to do a loop, realized he was going to hit the ground if he kept it up. So he rolled the airplane right side up on the 45-degree downline, and it looked so good that he did it on the other side of the airport. When he landed, they asked him what it was, that maneuver, because they'd never seen it before. Well, he was training some Cuban pilots at the time. So he told them, oh, that was the Cuban 8. And that's what it's been called ever since. Now this is Ariel Luedi in Little Witch. This one's based, by the way, down in Florida. And he pulls back out front here, up over the top. And back around the other side, gaining speed very rapidly. Flying aerobatics is all about that. You dive to gain speed, and then you climb, using that speed to perform your next maneuver. And the trick, of course, is climbing sure you have enough speed for everything, and don't exceed the maximum speed of the airplane at the bottom of that dive. And all the while looking to see where the horizon is and where the heck am I in relation to the world. You better be prepared to shell out about $3 billion. That's just to own it. After that, you're going to need, probably $3,000 or more an hour just to operate it. If you take into account your insurance, your hangar space, blah, blah, blah. If you want to get the engine rebuilt, and by the way, you can't get a new Packard Bird today, but a lot of spare parts were made during World War II, so you'll find somebody who rebuilt this engine for you after about 500 hours for well over $300,000. Nice 4-point roll there. Hesitation roll, as a matter of fact. Then Ariel, you died in that aircraft you just saw? So they split up as individuals for that part of the demonstration, and now the trick is for everybody to get back together. But when you're whipping along at the speeds that these guys do, it's sometimes a little bit difficult to find the other guy. But I think they've got it figured out. And there's Mad Max. Lou decides to go out that way. But you watch them now as they go around to your right behind us. Well, looks like they're going to be the first there. Straight past the two of them trail. Yeah, that's pretty close together right there with that big old prop whirling around out in front of that airplane. As the Mustangs make another trip, Tom Richards taxiing by in the P-51 Warhawk. We'll be seeing him in action very shortly. We'll tell you a lot more about it. Arcing right around along the flight line. From the right, once again, a great picture of two very, very special airplanes. Way back in the start of the war, this airplane was designed and flown in, what, 17, 18 weeks. That's incredible. That's exactly what it's called. This is the very first private plane for the company.
Oh, what can I serve for a main dish tonight?
You're short on time and ration points, right? I have macaroni and cheese made the Kraft dinner way. Cooks in 7 minutes.
What did you say?
Just 7 minutes for a dish that's a winner.
Then I'll certainly try this Kraft dinner.
There's a lady that's going to save time and ration points. She'll get 2 boxes of Kraft dinner for a single ration point. Main dishes for 2 separate meals. And what swell macaroni and cheese. For Kraft dinners, I favor through and through that macaroni in a hurry. Try it yourself. Ask for Kraft dinner.
You might have noticed some of our members of the Civil Air Patrol out here. They're young members in uniform. They're from the Finger Lakes group of the Civil Air Patrol. They're headquartered in Rochester, New York. There's individual squadrons within the group that are located in Rochester, Newark, Perry, Batavia, and Canandaigua. They've been around for 81 years, always vigilant for America.